Hey there, 𝐀𝐍𝐶 from 4M Analytics here, your AI-driven utility mapping and analytics solution for civil engineers, general contractors, and project owners during the early stages of construction. So just imagine 4M as your comprehensive Google Maps for utilities, for both above and below ground, where you can easily outline your project area in seconds and access real-time utility data for any project, any scale, right from the comfort of your office. Let me show you how it all works.
Simply upload your location files or click to draw a polygon on the map to define your project area and name it. In just seconds, you can gauge the utility density and total line length within your project, giving you a clear picture of the utility landscape and its complexities. You can then toggle on and off different data layers to dive deeper into the specifics and see each utility line, sector, owner, and other key attributes. This helps you save hours, if not weeks, on utility record research, maximize your project's ROI with precise data for strategic project planning, design and execution, and identify and address utility-related risks early on to prevent delays, cost overruns, and safety hazards.
Interested in exploring how 4M can transform your approach to utility coordination, win more bids, and streamline your next project? Then either get started for free or click the link below to schedule a time with us. We'd love to show you 4M's full potential.